Hey guys, today we're going to work on the rest of our walls and the back part of our castle. So it's going to take a little work, and then I'm also going to show you how to add some brick, which you may like as part of the design. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we are going to click on this portion, which we already have done, and we're going to hit Control D to duplicate it, or this button right here. And then use your arrow keys to push it back. I'm using the up key right now to push it all the way to the back. Okay, now it's backwards now, so we want to click here on this arrow and rotate it around so our windows are out, facing out. And you're going to want to get to 180 degrees. It might be easier for you just to type it in. All right, now we have to do some ungrouping because we don't need a drawbridge in the back. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click ungroup. And then I'm going to click again, ungroup. I'm going to click again, ungroup. And let's see. Okay, I can already delete that. So now let's click here, ungroup. And there we go. I have my drawbridge. I'm going to delete that hole. And now what I'm going to do is regroup so that those windows stay there. Okay, take a minute for that to regroup. So now you kind of have this. You have the same thing in the front as you do in the back, except we got rid of the drawbridge by regrouping multiple steps. And what you'll notice is that you can't just hit regroup once or ungroup once. You have to hit it until that step shows up because you've obviously grouped this several times. Okay, so now that we have this piece, okay, I'm going to visit my shapes collection where I had you save your window. Now, if you did not save your window, then you're going to have to make a new window. Now, since I'm now looking at it from the side, your window is going to be facing the wrong direction. So you're going to need to rotate it 90 degrees. Okay, like that. Well, 89, so you might as well just type in there 90, okay? And then, make it a little thinner. You don't need the thickest walls possible. Bring your window over here and grab that black box and stretch it this way. Grab the white box and stretch it up. Change the color here. And then duplicate and use your up key to send it over to the other side. I'm holding my up key and I'm tapping it in till about there. Now, I suggest taking an aerial view, like a drone view from the top, and scroll out a little and see if your pieces look even. It looks like this wall may need to move over just a little bit, okay? Once you have that wall on there and you feel comfortable with it, highlight the entire thing and group it. And now you have your whole castle where you can move it like this. Okay, let's stop there, and then I'm going to show a separate video on how to work with the bricks. Okay, so that's just on how you add the side walls and the back wall, and then the brickage that we're going to add, I will do a separate video for that.